All right, putting my stuff in storage. Let's see where the elevator is. Where is the elevator? Where's the elevator? Oh, there is none. That's because Fountain Lake Storage does not have any elevators. We are a 100% ground level storage facility, which means no stairs, no elevators, just easy storage. Welcome to another video of Storage Tips with Tyler. I'm Tyler, the property manager here at Fountain Lakes Storage in St. Charles, Missouri. And we just want to make a quick video to tell you guys how amazing it is not dealing with elevators and stairs while you're moving. Nobody wants to show up to a storage facility with trailers full of stuff and find out that you have to go up elevators and stairs just to store it. We at Fountain Lake Storage decided that from day one, we weren't gonna deal with that. We were just gonna make storage as easy as possible with just ground level and carts and dollies for our tenants to move their items straight to their units. So really quick, for all you new time storage shoppers out there that will need storage in the future, be careful with the facilities that you shop with. And also be careful with your online shopping. A lot of shopping these days are done completely online without even talking to somebody. And if you do that, you could find yourself kind of in a hole. And what I mean by that is if you're looking through a storage website and you notice this size, the same size unit might have two different prices, there's a reason for that. The cheaper one may be up on the third level, maybe even the fourth level. Maybe their climate controlled units are only on the certain level. You don't have to worry about that here at Fountain Lake Storage. All of our units are ground level, so that way whenever you see that price on that specific unit, you know that it's ground level, you're paying this for what you're getting. And that's why we just wanted to let you guys all know, be careful while you're shopping, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to call or ask. We're always here to help you guys out. Thanks again for tuning in with another Storage Tip with Tyler. Have a great day.